This is Logan Ritter and Bharadwaj Swaminathan's gold point submission for 6U1B Project 0. For our project, we decided to first add a ship that can move around with WASD keys. To present our work, we'll be showing the starfield background in a modified planets text file that includes the ship. As you can see, the planets are currently moving in their normal orbit, but when the ship hits one of them, things will go crazy. We added collisions in between the planets as well as the walls so that the planets do not disappear when they go towards the edge of the window.
Additionally, we also added a velocity decay to the ship so that it is easier to control and doesn't just keep accelerating. To implement the ship, we used STD Draw's keyboard controls, and we used the collision equations from Wikipedia for elastic collisions. And I admit this does look pretty cool, but you know what would look even cooler? Two ships.
Alright, with two ships, both represented as acorns, things are even crazier than before.
One of the ships is moved around by the WASD keys, and the other one is moved around by the directional arrow keys. This was still implemented by STD Draw.
As you can see, sometimes the planets get too close to each other and their gravitational pull on each other is equal, so they appear to stick. Sometimes hitting into them solves this issue. But I do not believe it is an issue with our code, since that's probably what would happen in real life.
It's an issue with the laws of physics.
Once we had two ships, we thought of games that we could play that involved two players and would be simple since we already had collisions in the code. We came up with air hockey. I drew this JPEG online on a drawing website.
So you can see the two acorns are the two ships controlling the puck, which is the planet of Mars. We've also implemented a goal system in which if the planet hits the goal, it automatically gets reset to the center.
Also, if run to the end of the time, the scores will be printed out in the terminal window, so you don't have to keep track of who's winning.
Another cool feature is that the two ships cannot go past the half line, just like it would be in real air hockey.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our project. Yeah, feel free to play it on GitHub.